Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tutorials and guides. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of downloading an archive of your ex's data. By downloading your data, you can have a copy of your information, ensuring you have a backup or access to it offline. Let's dive into the full guide on how to download an archive of your ex's data. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X app on your device and wait for it to load. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon from the top right corner. Look for the profile icon, typically represented by a profile picture or an avatar, located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Step 3. Go to your settings. From your profile, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the option that says Settings and tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Tap on Download an archive of your data. Within the settings menu, locate and tap on the option that allows you to download an archive of your data. This will initiate the process. Step 5. Then, type in the password. Enter your account password to verify your identity and proceed with the data download request. Step 6. Verify your identity by typing in the code you get on your email. X will send a verification code to your registered email address. Check your email, retrieve the code, and enter it in the provided space to confirm your identity. Step 7. Tap on Request Archive, and X will prepare a copy for you. Once you've entered the verification code, tap on the Request Archive button. X will then begin the process of preparing a copy of your data for download. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to download an archive of your ex's data. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.